Hey there, it's your host Dan once again, and I'm pretty excited today because I finally got it. The Triple Bay Toolbox I've been waiting for quite some time. It's kind of like Christmas comes in March. So this is it. This is my new box that took place of... There used to be the workbench there, which is one of the previous videos where I knocked it all down. But now I got the box I want, which kind of matches up somewhat to the workbench. But pretty excited about this box, and let's just do a quick review on it. I'll show you some of the things that I think are really good about it, what sold me on it, and also a couple things I think are just maybe just little nitpicks. But let's go over that. Okay, the box is obviously made by Husky, but one of the things that sold me on it was it has a stainless steel top. There's not really many boxes in the what I call the lower cheap price range that have the stainless steel top on it. Plus it's kind of a cool black color, and I wanted a nice dark color. I didn't want something when the garage doors open like, hey look, there's a huge monster toolbox in the garage. I want something that kind of nobody would see, so that's why I went with the black color. It's also got two locks on it, one on this side and one over in the middle, which the box is fully loaded up now. I got all my tools in it right now. This lock actually works like works like butter. Interestingly enough, when you close these drawers, they're soft close, which is pretty cool. You just kind of ram your drawers, they soft close like that. That was another selling feature. That's why I bought this box. All the drawers are soft close. One thing I can nitpick is this little cover that's on the front of these, the way it's fastened on. It's tight on all of them. I just noticed on one or two of my drawers it was just a hair loose on the end, and that could have been done a little bit better, but you know, for the price, the money, you know, this is not like a snap-on box. Okay, so now we're on the other side. This lock right here works pretty well, but sometimes when you turn it just soft, it stops right here and binds a little bit. But if I give it a turn, it'll go. Yeah, see how it stops? Or if I push this drawer just a hair, it'll go. It works. The other one there works a little better, but this is locking up basically a double bay. This drawer right here, pull this back. This drawer right here, I've got the tools. I used to have a smaller little, kind of like a mobile installer box right there. It's a Plano 797. I don't think they even make those anymore. But those are all the drawers. There's 4 drawers here. So I've got pretty much just about everything to cover most things, and everything in this drawer would drop into that little box in about 2 minutes to make me mobile if I ever had to do another mobile task. But this top drawer here has got pretty good size in order for me to do that, and I'm going to close it and kind of whip it and demonstrate that soft close once again. Yeah, I like that. Pull this on out and just, ooh yeah. Takes a little tug to overcome the soft close, of course, but then when it's free, it's just close. So it's a pretty sizable box. Once again, it's 6 feet long, 24-inch depth to the wall, and I believe it's about 40 inches high. The boxes they sell over at Harbor Freight I think are just a step better, but they don't come in these dimensions nor these colors, nor I think with a stainless top. Over here on the side, it's got a nice big grab handle. Comes with a bottle opener too. Just added a dish from parts and light clamp and a couple other hooks stick on the side. here in the part you can't see, there's another handle like the other end, but I just kind of slammed it up against the workbench. On the side of this box, just down a little bit and back, there's a power strip built right in the box, which is pretty cool. And it's also got I think like 6 or 8 outlets and 2 USB connectors, power up your phone. So plastic still on the top, but that's not going to last long. We'll be pulling that off soon. There was a little plastic nameplate right here. I just pulled it off. It left 2 holes. I'll put something to cover that up. It's already kind of embossed in here. Who makes it? This trim piece right here, when it came, I didn't notice it at first, but it wasn't on there all the way, and it couldn't be pushed down because it was almost too long. It was like bowed. I had to pull it back and file the top down. There's like a double stick tape under it that holds it down. Real minor. But what I did was I went to the store and I had it shipped to the store, and I made sure that the box that I was going to be bringing home wasn't going to be a dent or scratch, wasn't hit with a forklift or picked up wrong, or something wrong with it, because otherwise they were going to be sending it back and getting me another one. So it's been a long time coming. I'm really glad I got the box now. When I look around at the workbench there, I just painted that brown. I'm probably gonna not probably, I think I'm definitely gonna have to repaint this once again for like the 4th time. Get this color here, get this color matched. I'll pull one of these drawers out, take it down to Benjamin Morse. I'm not taking a picture of it. I've actually got the live sample with me, and I'll paint this that charcoal color to carry that through, which my cabinets up here, darn it, I'm probably gonna have to paint those with charcoal too, so it'll make this whole wall look different. So didn't really plan on that happening. I thought everything the way it was brown was gonna work, but I think that's gonna be better. But I'm really happy I got this box. It pretty much holds all my tools and then some. It cost me about $1,000 by the time I bought the box, with tax and also hauling to get it to my house. And the old box, put it up for $100 on Craigslist, and I got a bazillion calls, sold it within a day. So $900. That's what I'm looking at here. Upgrade to this box. Pretty happy with it. It's Husky 72-inch 15 drawer, and it was a great deal.